So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to add or subtract standard form. Now, in this, you cannot just directly add them because one of them is 10 to the 7, one of them 10 to the 5. They got different bases. It's like me when I'm writing this number, it'll be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and blah, blah, blah. It's a very big number, and that is not so big of a number. So what I have to do is I'm going to have to change this to 10 to the 5. Okay. And that means I have to get rid of 2 of these 10s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the number 3 and I'm going to make it bigger by 2 times. So this is going to be 300 times by 10 to the 5 plus 3 times by 10 to the 5. Now, because both of them are the same base, I could directly add them. So I'll just do the 300 plus the 3. So that's 303 times by 10 to the 5. Now, this is not at standard form. So I still got to do one other thing. So I'll get the decimal point over here and I move back 2 spaces. So that becomes 3.03 times by 10 to the, because I move back 2 spaces, this 5 now becomes a 7. So I'll give you another example, this question over here. This is 10 to the 6, this is 10 to the 4. So the same thing, I got to make this 10 to the 4 because this is 10 to the 4. And that means I have to give up 2 10s over here. So I'll do 9 times by 10 to the 2. Now, if you want to move it back, you could go 1, 2, and that becomes a 900. So I got 900 times by 10 to the 4. So now I'll move this down here and I've got this to add up. Now, 8.5 plus 900, because they're both 10 to the 4, I could just directly add them. That is going to be 908.5 times by 10 to the 4. But like I said before, it's not in the standard form because it has to be 9 point something. So I've got to move it 1 space that way, 1 space that way. So 2 spaces, 9.085 times by, because I moved it 2 spaces, that changes from the number 4 to the number 6. Please check out my website for free live lessons and free worksheets. Take care. Have a nice day.